But at this stage, we really have to make sure everything is in its place in the walls and ceiling area, because tomorrow our drywall is going up. Here's a good example of it. This is a little system that we decided to put in our bedroom addition, and it's a video answering system from Newtone. And what this will allow the homeowners to do is be able to not only hear the doorbell at the front door, but they'll actually be able to see and talk with whoever's ringing on that front door. This is real convenient. And also, these are available in a flip down model that you can put right under kitchen cabinets that will allow you to communicate, say, from your kitchen to your front door. There we go. That'll stay up in there. That way the drywall can go right over it. Now we know exactly where the bed's going in this room, right on this wall. So we've already wired cable, phone, and all of our electrical outlets. And we'll route those under the bed to our little pop-up television that's going to be at the end of the bed itself. Now you can see Tim's in the process of working on some of our speaker wire. We have 2 speakers inside, 2 speakers outside for the deck. They all feed back to here, which will be under our breakfast bar cabinet, and will go into an amp or an amplifier, and that will power an MP3 player with a little docking station. That should be a cool way to have music inside as well as out. But you can see all the plumbing and electrical that's part of our breakfast bar, and all of that will make sure is right in the right place, because tomorrow morning drywall is going in.